Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, we're up to ours in it, aren't we? What's that?
Pipe.
Is that the culprit?
It's a connector, yeah, for the blower.
This is motorhoming at the best. Look at the state, stuff everywhere. Explain what's happened, Mark.
We retained our original gas blower heating because it's good to have two sources of heating. So we've got a diesel heater which we use most of the time, and now and again we put the Truma heater. But this has all come off underneath there. So yeah. I did put it together once before with some cable ties, as you might be able to see. So when it blows, all it does is cooks us in the bed, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, like absolutely boiling in the bed, and the van's really cold.
All this pipe work needs going over because the actual thing, the bracket that held it to the walls, come away. So
we've had to strip the bed completely down.
So we're going to have to empty everything out. And
yeah, absolutely massive job. Scooters are in here as well, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, now then. Something else we want to show you as well regarding our scooters, because a lot of you always ask us loads of questions about our scooters, and until this country gets itself sorted out with this stupid law that they're just ignoring it, aren't they? Yeah, they're not doing anything. We just don't go on them anymore. It's hard unless it's on private land. It's a struggle to go anywhere we on them. But look what we've been sent. We did mention about getting some e-bikes. Now we've been sent one, haven't we, Mark?
Yes. Thanks to Eleglde for sending out this great big cardboard box. It's a right big thing, isn't it? I wish it were full of food.
It's a whopper. Yeah, it's a whopper.
I wished it were full of food, but it's not. It's full of an electric bike.
Yeah, so you're going to have fun putting that together, aren't you?
Yeah, the issue is with the e-scooters is you can't use them.
We just can't go anywhere. We're petrified of using them, aren't we?
So when we go back to Europe, we'll take them with us, but for now, we're looking at alternative transport, aren't we?
Because we do like to get out, don't we? We don't want to be stuck in motorhome when you get somewhere. We don't want to be towing his car everywhere, so we thought this was a good idea. Yeah. And Eleglde have kindly sent us one out to try, so let's crack on with it. That's it unboxed, all done and dusted, got rid of all the packaging, and Mark's found out you need to put the handlebars on first.
Yeah, it's no good without the handlebars. You need to set yourself half a day really to do this, don't you? I suppose.
Yeah.
Some of it is obviously already built up, but it does take a bit of getting together.
It does come with a kit with like spanners and all that man stuff that I ain't got a clue about. Well, that's a big battery, that. To me, it looks like a big battery anyway. We'll find out the full spec and everything for you in a bit. But that's really nice. Yeah. It's like a really, really good quality. I'm quite chuffed with them colours. It looks really, really like a nice piece of kit.
Right, so we're taking the battery off because we're going to put it on charge because it's flat. I think it did say when I checked on the website 7 hours to fully charge it, so we're going to part charge it so we can use it, aren't we? Once we built it up.
Yeah, we can have a go on it then.
Fairly heavy battery, it's quite a decent capacity, so yeah, we're going to...
How did you get it off? Did it come with keys?
Come with like ignition keys, yeah, so no one can nick it. So
that's good, isn't it?
So if you go anywhere, you could take the battery off, even though it's quite heavy, and put it in a backpack, couldn't you? No one's going to nick it. I suppose
so, yeah, but they'll still use it as a bike though, can't they?
Oh yeah, it's still pedal it, so let's go and get it on charge. Oh, and it comes with all the power brick and everything, doesn't it?
Yeah, here's a charger. So while we're building this, we can get it on charge. He's only gone and done it. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, it's alright.
Now the proof is in the pudding. You've got to ride it without hurting yourself. What are you doing now? What's going off now?
Took the aerial off, look.
Ooh, is that an old van?
That's the old TV aerial, look at it, it's minging. It's all broken there as well. And it went tilting, but that's a TV aerial, so what I'm using now is the mast for it. I put in this new antenna, which was sent out to us a while ago from Solwise.
And what's that going to do?
That's for the router in the van.
Well, like a booster?
Yeah, so it'll sit down low, but when we're in a real bad area, I get it up another foot, you see.
We've not had a problem with the internet though, have we?
No, it's been alright, but we may as well use it. So that cable goes right through now. It's a bit long, it doesn't matter. We can just coil it up now inside the thing, and then that connects to the router.
And what's that called?
Pointing.
Pointing?
Yeah. It's just a 4 and 5G antenna, and I've sealed the top there. Look, put the cable through. That's all sealed. So.
Are you gonna get up on the bus?
Ladders.
What?
I'm going up on.
Seriously?
Yeah, I've been up once to get it down. Yeah, so.
Now don't go doing anything stupid, Mark, because it's about a year to the day you did your back.
I know. So let's go up these ladders and get cracking.
Come on then. I must be bloody mental.
They would these as well. Can't be no worse than them ones I fell off, can they? Do you want to hold them? You can put the camera there.
I'm holding them. I'm holding them.
Don't look at my belly. This is a nice easy upgrade, isn't it? Cable's a bit long, but it'll be right when it will loop it up.
Hi. So we're out trying the aerial now. We've come away for the weekend, haven't we? We are in...
Near Cockermouth.
I'm sorry, every time he says it, it makes me laugh. Up in the lakes, we're with some friends for the weekend. So we've tried the antenna, and what do you reckon?
Yeah, it's alright, got decent speeds. So, yeah, we a couple of people I spoke to are struggling to get internet, so...
We've told them where to go, and where's that?
Solwise.
Solwise. The link is in the description below. We've had nothing but praise for this company because the equipment that we've put into our van and the aerial that we've now fitted, we've got uploads and downloads and everything loads.
Plenty of speed. We don't have any issue, do we, when we're out making videos and stuff?
And it's important for us to have internet when we're on the road so we can get these vlogs out to you guys. So do head over to Solwise and go and check them out for your Wi-Fi needs in your van on the go. Right, so we're off to find the bins. Mark's got his solar out. Why have you got the solar out?
Because we parked under a tree, so even though it's gone in at a minute of sun, we were getting 40 something watts on the roof solar panels, and then that folding panel there, which we got sent out ages ago.
From All Powers?
That's a 400 watt panel, and we've been getting 320 watt on that, so we're sort of bypassing the roof because we're under the trees and picking the sun up there.
So it's winner winner.
So if you want to know how we've done that, we're putting another Victron MPPT controller to control it on a separate circuit, so we're not overloading the original MPPT, so we're running two now.
What?
And partly on the reason is because we've got a big upgrade, don't we, coming?
Yeah, news to follow. But what have we done? Got the bike, and we got told it was going to rain this weekend, so we've not brought it. So the bike ride and finding out how we get on the bike is it's going to have to be on the next vlog, isn't it?
I have been on it to test it. It's spot on, isn't it? So.
He likes it, but you've upgraded it already, haven't you?
Yeah.
We'll show you that on the next one. So just in case you're wondering where in the lakes we actually are, we're at the Crafty Camp Out, aren't we? With Sam from the Crafty Blinders, who's arranged this weekend. And it's a perfect spot. We're at the pub, is called the Wheat Sheaf. There's a pub behind us, and the rally field's just behind as well with a load of statics, isn't it?
Yeah, so without further ado, we're going to get some food, aren't we?
No. What is it? Oh, look at that tree coming out at wall.
Must be nearly as old as you.
That tree's not in the wall, is it? Has the wall been built round the tree?
Well, it looks like it's been built round it at some point.
Crap! Oh,
yeah,
you've just nearly got took out by two birds.
It was a fighting.
I don't know.
Right in front of my face. So yeah, it's all rotten inside. That. Look at that.
I don't start picking it. It's been there all them years and then you start picking at it.
There's something still growing out of it. It's still a tree of sorts, isn't there? But...
So it looks like I might have been right with the weather in the back. It may just turn to rain.
It's changed there quick. Within 20 minutes it's gone from brilliant sunshine to looks like rain, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? What did Sam say about it being tidal, the weather
Because we're
up here?
quite close to the coast as well, and it can affect the weather. He said he can tell, like, if a tide's in or out, the change of a tide can change the weather. So fascinating, isn't it?
Strange. For those of you that haven't been to the lakes before, the views are absolutely stunning around here. Everywhere you look,
Yeah.
you're just covered with beautiful countryside.
It is a bit like Scotland, isn't it, I suppose?
It
Yeah.
is, I mean...
Well, we're not that far, are we? Another 50 mile up the road and we're on the border, if not less, I suppose.
We're just on our way. We've got a church just behind us where we're parked up on the rally field.
Yeah.
And it's bonging every hour, so we said we'll go and have a look at it.
And plus there's some bees or wasps, isn't there, somewhere up here?
We can hear, everyone says,
a
have you got
drone.
your drone up? But it's that loud with bees, so we're going to go and investigate, see what's going on. Is it open? Now lift the knob, Mark.
Huh?
So we found the church.
What's all that about?
What?
It's got like a rope on it, like a tripwire. It's going to grab us. Oh.
It's so the gate shuts, isn't it?
Yeah.
Go on. Mark's thinking he's going to get trapped in, I think. There you go, it shuts behind you, that's where it does. I don't know how old this church is, it looks really, really old.
There's not much round here, is it, to warrant a church of this
That's where your
size?
bongs are coming from every hour.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a lovely setting to be buried in, I must admit that. Is there anybody home? Can't even see other rats on them anymore, they're that old. Look at that.
This is the parish church of St Cuthbert in Lawton.
Oh, this is Lawton then, the area. There you go. Well, it's not open anyway, so one of our friends wanted me to get her some holy water. She gave me a bottle, but I can't get any D, I'm afraid, because it's closed. God, look at the size of that.
Look at that, look, it's bigger than me.
It's massive.
It's got woodworm, Lisa.
It's got woodworm. It's got a problem then, hasn't it? Oh, you've left me. This gate is well heavy.
Yeah, it lifts up.
Oh, I think that's why there's a rope on it, Mark, to help. Oh, there's a roller on it as well.
Yeah, that one. Look at that, look.
I don't want you to leave once you get in.
At this location is a Commonwealth war grave. Put it in the comments below what that is, because we're not being rude or ignorant, but we don't know. Obviously it's to do with war, people who's died in the war, but maybe when they say Commonwealth it might have been all the Allied forces like France and all that lot.
Don't know.
But some of them might have ended up having a grave here.
I still can't get over that tree, Mark.
Big, isn't it?
It's absolutely massive. What was here first, the tree or the graves? I
don't
wonder.
know, we were saying about that grave there, weren't we? But it's all sheltered under there, isn't it? So.
Yeah, someone with high importance under there, isn't it?
And there's a big box round the back of it, isn't there? Like a box for owls or something.
Yeah.
You probably can't see it from here.
Well, we can't find the bees. It's on down a private lane, isn't it?
Yeah, but there's like a thing in the tree, isn't there? So we can see it the other side, didn't hear them coming and going.
I'm quite glad we can't get down there because something would have happened, something would have gone off. But I think we'll leave it there for this one. It's been quite a bit of a longish one with different things in it. As I said, we'll put the Eleglde review in the next vlog, so you can see how we get on. You want to try it a bit more, don't you?
Yeah. So we've already done a modification, which you'll have to see what we've done to it. But up to press, we are impressed with it, aren't we?
Yeah. So I'll leave it there, and if you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.